Hello friends, so in this video I would like to show you how to adjust your spring preload. And on this bike it's super easy because you have a great access to your suspension. Now we're gonna need a special tool which Honda has under seat. So we're gonna need to remove seat. And your toolkit, like original toolkit, is here in this bag. And basically you have a one tool, 17 and 14 size, spark plug tool. Then you have a screwdriver, you can put it like this inside, this one and this one. And then this is a tool to adjust spring preload. Now this is the part where you adjust preload. It has 5 levels, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I set it on like a minimum preload, and this moment suspension is softest what can be, and my weight is 108 kilograms, and I can say I have no problems with driving with this minimum preload. If I would add luggage, then I would probably increase it to the level 3 or even higher. Alright, so how do you adjust it? Basically this is a tool, you put it like this and you turn. But when you increasing preload, I found what it's much easier to turn when you lift spring. Now up, it's on level 2, level 3 and so on, level 4, 5. Of course, do it on our side too. And when you go our way, you don't need to lift spring. And that's it.